Josh Lyne, and I'm the Senior Commercial Manager. So I joined the Highway sector 5 years ago, and I joined as an account manager for Messagemaker displays. Probably looking back and looking at the network that I've built of all the really positive and helpful people in the highways industry. Similar, it plays into my high. I guess it would be the first event I went to. I guess I found it a bit overwhelming at how everyone tended to know everyone. It was all very network driven. So I think being the newbie, the fresh-faced newbie, I think I found a bit tough for the first session, but it's been good ever since. I always need to be more realistic with time frames. I think I expect everything happens tomorrow, and nothing happens tomorrow. It's acronyms, I think is the right word. There's so many letters. I'm dyslexic anyway, but oh my God, speaking to people, it sounds like I'm speaking to a robot sometimes. Just say the name, just say what it's called. Yeah, letters, acronyms. Always make sure everyone leaving the room is satisfied. Money's the bad answer, it's not money. It's, I think it's progression, career progression. I think if I'm not moving, if I'm not progressing, then I'm going backwards. This is a rogue one. I think it'd be my business studies teacher from 6th form. Shaped a lot about what I was going to do for the future. The people, definitely the people. Luckily, Messagemaker Displays is very good at promoting good work-life balance. So it's something that happens naturally. So just on the weekends, just focus on family and friends. Now probably ChatGPT, which is a bit scary. But before that, my Outlook calendar, because I'm quite bad at missing meetings and being late and stuff. So somebody shouting at me, telling I'm late. I think making it more accessible for not just having been young joining the industry, not just for the youngsters, but anyone new coming into the industry. It can be quite overwhelming with lots of terms, people, just things that people expect you to know that you don't. So I think if we make it easier to access, we'll get a lot more knowledge, influence and experience from other industries and other people.